Don't tell him that we're hiding. Oh my god, you give it away. Don't shoot me! I never shoot you! Jeez!
Katie, come here.
Where are you? Oh, I see you. I can't. He's coming right now.
Oh, man.
Oh!
See that coming.
He's got beat by a gal.
I did not see that coming. Oh, man. That was a terrific hiding spot. That was just wrong. Where's your gun at?
Let's go.
Oh, man. I just...
Okay, boom! Okay, round 1 goes to the girls. Wait, we gotta get our bullets in.
Okay, go. I got that gal.
Oh, that was just wrong.
I know it was.
Shoot the man down. Are all the bullets all ready?
What? Should be. Ooh, baby. Push it like that, though. I think. Oh.
Shoot the man down.
Gas is coming. You gotta hide. Hide.
But then the next day in my pocket, all the glass
Down.
broken right here, so
I'll give you that.
battery, you can pull the battery out.
Get down, Lex.
That's an iPhone 5? That'll be a little better. I'm afraid of that
Don't
much.
make a sudden move.
Seriously, huge. I just see people. This just
Downstairs. Is he?
I'm gonna have ice cream in
Alright, just don't wait too long because it's melting, okay? Then there's half of this roll left in there, but I'm gonna do that. Jason won't eat it,
I am.
says nuts.
I am.
Jason, you want me
Let's have anybody got
to
it?
chocolates for you to have later? I'm putting together a little dessert. That's
Dude! I'm recording! Ammo's gone. Don't!
Max, you're missing some bullets. I think I just took one of these out.
Oh!
Second round goes to the girls. Woo.
One, oh, smacked into the door.
Okay.
Don't shoot me!
Don't shoot us.
Ow!
Round 2. Round 2's over.
Round 3 next!
Ouch! We haven't started round 3.
Too late now, sister.
Oh my god!
Load up, girls. Go, go, go.
Yes.
Time out.
Oh my gosh.
Time out.
I mean, you missing.
Time out. Time out. We have to have all of them. Oh, okay. How many are you missing? Oh, we have not started round 3 yet.
Oh, excuse me.
Wait, me and Theo want to get ice cream though.
Okay, I'm missing
How many?
2.
Okay, I think one of those yes, because we only started with 8.
Okay, I'm missing 1 now.
Okay, wait.
How many you got in there?
10.
1, 2,
Theo
3, 4,
started
5,
with
6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, Theo found
We
one.
all got 10.
But Theo started with 8. So, okay, remember, after round ends, the new round does not start until we find all of our darts.
Okay.
Girls, can you take a break with the ice cream?
Okay, let's go get ice cream.